Today we're here at TopSoap Detail Studio and they're gonna clean the car, they're gonna do the detailing and they're gonna clean it. Let's continue with the video and let's see how it looks before and then after the clean. So the car is a little bit dirty, so they're gonna make it look shiny, nice and shiny. They're professionals here and the company name is TopSoap Details. I'm gonna put the information, description of the video down below. For those of you guys that live in Houston area, wanna clean their car, you can come here. So you can see it has a lot of brake dust. It's dirty. This is the before of the clean, and also they're gonna take some pictures, some photo shoot. Okay guys, you can see it right there. It looks amazing, super clean, man. I think the car never been like this before. Wow, you can see it, even the carbon. Wow, super clean, amazing. The interior is a little bit dark, so the camera is not gonna show the true. It's amazing. The floor mats, super clean. Look at the wheels, man. It's amazing. Everything is super clean. So the information for them is gonna be in the description of the video down below. If you wanna bring your car here, they're gonna treat you well, and this is a professional work. All right, you can see it. It looks like a car from the magazines now. Wow, everything is clean. The windows, the tires, the roof, super clean. Amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Just look at that, man. Amazing.
Hi, my name is Tim. I work for TopSoap Detail Studio. Our objective basically is to detail cars, and we love to work on the exterior of vehicles, which is what we did with this new Supra. Manuel brought us in this Supra, and we worked on it. We did exterior clean with our pressure washer. We foam blasted it. We coated the wheels with nice ceramic, and we did the inside as well with the interior ceramic. And then on the exterior, we applied a hybrid ceramic. So on top of the film, with the ceramic, with that polymer, it should be extra hydrophobic. So it should last a long time. So we did a lot of work on this one, and
good.
We love how it came out.
Yeah, it looks amazing. And where can they contact you?
You can look me up on Instagram. I have my company name. It's Tim's Elaborate Detail. Okay. Or you can look up TopSoap Car Wash up in Conroe. We also have a Facebook as well.
Okay, so we will put the information on the description,
okay,
on the video, and the address, right?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you. The car looks amazing. I think the car never been like this before. You can see it there. It's amazing. Thank you. It looks beautiful. Thanks, bro. Okay.
Like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget that peace. You take the west side, take on the east. I'ma put them in the cage, never let out the
I hear them chat to the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pine, if you wanna touch me, please use caution.
Stop it. I hear them chat to the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome. Hot like fire on the pine, if you wanna touch me, please use caution.
I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome.
Okay, guys, this is the car meet, Eat the Sleep car meet, but I came late. Okay, so I couldn't record all the cars, but I had some. But thank you for watching the video. Now the car is very clean and nice, so the link for the car detailing, description of the video down below. But if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.
Like